Welcome to SC4K, and congratulations on your new role as an admin team member. This session will give you a clear understanding of your responsibilities, daily workflows, and communication standards. As an admin, you play a vital role in supporting our students, parents, and trainers, and in ensuring smooth operations across the institute. By the end of this presentation, you'll feel confident about what's expected of you and how you contribute to SC4K's success. The admin role matters because you are often the first point of contact for parents. The way you communicate creates the first impression of SC4K. You also support smooth daily operations by coordinating schedules, managing information, and ensuring everything runs efficiently. Through clear communication, accuracy, and professionalism, you build trust with parents and families, which is essential to SC4K's growth and reputation. The admin role involves managing daily administrative tasks, coordinating with parents, students, and trainers, supporting management and operations, and assisting with promotional and marketing activities. At the start of your shift, check emails to admin@sc4k.ca. Voicemails and SMS messages on 416-561-0374. Respond to emails by priority, return missed calls, and reply to texts promptly. For new student inquiries, coordinate with the teacher and schedule trial classes following the onboarding process. To keep our operations running smoothly, we follow a clear payment and communication process. Monthly fees are due on or before the 7th. A reminder is sent on the 7th, followed by a second reminder on the 15th. If payment isn't received by the 20th, we send a personal message informing parents that a 15% late fee will apply. Payment receipts are shared through QuickBooks 3 times a month, on the 10th, 20th, and 30th. As an SC4K team member, your tasks include managing our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google Business Profile, with at least one post per week. Create posts for annual events, workshops, and special programs using Canva. Prepare the monthly newsletter for parents, maintain the yearly planner, design the annual calendar, and handle additional tasks as required. As the admin, follow proper communication etiquette at all times. Maintain a professional and polite tone, provide clear and accurate information, and respond promptly. This strengthens SC4K's reputation, builds trust, and ensures smooth operations with parents, students, and team members. Fees are due by the 7th of each month and can be paid via e-transfer, card at POS or online, or PayPal. Late payments will incur a 15% additional charge. The first payment reminder is sent on the 7th, the second on the 15th, and if payment is still pending by the 20th, an individual follow-up is done by message or call. Payment receipts are issued through QuickBooks 3 times a month, on the 10th, 20th, and 30th. At SC4K, we use several tools to support daily admin tasks. Email and parent communication are managed through Gmail and the Mighty Call system. QuickBooks is used to send payment receipts and manage billing. For promotions and announcements, Canva is used to create designs for social media and other promotional events. At SC4K, handle parent concerns calmly and professionally. Listen actively, provide clear information, and escalate to management when needed. Common concerns include class rescheduling and cover-up sessions, which are allowed only for illness or family emergencies. Missed sessions are not refunded, except during scheduled breaks. We encourage parents to use the SC4K class WhatsApp group so teachers, parents, and management stay informed. At SC4K, handling student and parent information is a responsibility we take seriously. Always manage data carefully and share it only with authorized personnel. Maintaining privacy builds trust with students and parents, so treat all information as sensitive. Ethical behavior is essential. Be honest, professional, and respectful in every interaction. Upholding these standards reflects positively on SC4K and ensures a safe, professional learning environment for everyone. As an SC4K admin, your work impacts students, parents, and the team. Be accurate and detail-oriented in all tasks, manage your time effectively, and collaborate with your colleagues to keep operations smooth. Take ownership of your responsibilities and stay accountable. This ensures SC4K maintains its professional, reliable, and high-quality learning environment. As we conclude this orientation, remember that your role is key to creating a positive experience for our parents and students. If you ever have questions or need clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to your team or management. We're excited to have you on board and look forward to working together. Welcome to SC4K.